What's up YouTube? This is your Ate Dang again and welcome to my new video. For today, this is about how I got approved in 10 hours for monetization in YouTube. So let's begin. So we log in onto our YouTube channel, go to your channel profile photo, click that one, then go to YouTube Studio. Let's just wait. And when you go on your left hand side, just go to monetization. So you can see there you need to reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So with this one, we are going to process my actual application. Alright, so let's begin. Apply now. So we are on the 3 steps application page. So click that step 1 start. So here's the terms and conditions. I actually tried to change my country here, but it's not working. But you can try to do that to yours, but mine's already set with Australia. So I'll just continue with the terms and conditions. So here it says you need a person or a legal guardian if you're under 18 to guide you with the terms and conditions. So please make sure that you read all of them before you click and accept them. So once you're done reading and you fully accept it, just go down to the bottom and click accept terms, and then just wait for it to load. So you can see step number 2, start. I do have an existing, so I'll just continue. And while waiting for it to load, make sure you select the right Gmail account that you want to use with the AdSense account. So here's my existing AdSense account, and I've read out that short terms, then link to YouTube, and just wait for it. Then select redirect, so you'll go back to your YouTube application for the monetization. So while waiting for that, please make sure that your AdSense account is set up properly. So now we can see step 1 is done. Now we're waiting for step 2 to be updated. There it is. Step 2 is done as well. Now step 3 is now in progress. So this is where the waiting game starts for the application. So it's an actual person who will review your YouTube account before they approve if you don't have any violations or anything that will be against YouTube's policies. So you will receive this email that changes to your YouTube payment details has been updated or changed. So this is the email wherein you have successfully applied for the monetization process for your YouTube channel. So after 10 hours, so applied 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and around 1:30 in the morning, I've checked my email and this is what I found. So I go to my YouTube studio, and as well I checked the left hand side for the monetization just to confirm. And there it is. It's been updated. There's no apply now button anymore, and my ID publisher has been updated there as well. And now I'm fully monetized just in 10 hours. Now let's see all my videos that can be monetized. So I've already turned them on, and I don't want to turn them off just in case it might take an effect on the algorithm of YouTube algorithm specifically. And so this is all the videos. I have one here that I can show you how I turn it on. So just click the drop down. select on, and then save. So that's how easy it is for you to turn it on specific videos for you to get monetized as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this has been helpful for you, how to apply, and especially using an existing Google account. So please do like, share, subscribe, put a comment how your application went. Was it approved straight away? Was it as lucky as mine? Just within 10 hours I've been approved and monetized. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the next video. See ya.